Yes, good evening once again, my people. We bless God for today's market, and I want to tell you that the market has been so beautiful, and trading goods today has been a big challenge. But at the end of it, we still come out with good profit. So let's quickly do the short run today. Within some minutes, I'll have to talk to you. So let's start from gold. So this is gold. This is gold daily time frame. So I've already drawn it, so you can copy it. So you can copy it for your understanding. So this has shown greatly that today has been a very challenging day because the price has been rejected every now and then. So we have a small drawdown today. So this is trend downtrend today. So let me quickly go to 4 hours. So 4 hours show us more. So this is 4 hours. So within 4 hours we have a trend, downtrend. So showing downtrend, so you can see it. So tomorrow you should be able to take your trade by checking this my analysis. The drone shows that the trend is still on downtrend. You can see this. This is downtrend. These are my support and resistance trend line. So to guide you when to enter and when to come out. So at the same time, it's showing you the chart pattern. This is chart pattern. So we'll be considering the chart pattern, support and resistance, when to enter and when to quit. So let's go to also 1 hour. So 1 hour. This is 1 hour. What are we seeing? On 1 hour we can see more broad. So this 1 hour is showing us more what to see. So after you can see the up and trend. This is all, this one, this three, the movement, the price move. So as it was yesterday, this is where we are as it was yesterday. So you can see it very well. This is where we are as it was yesterday. This is 1 hour, this is yesterday. As it was yesterday, the price level was here. So you can see that the trend shows that is going down. So you can see that it follows our trend line as we draw it. So you are at liberty to come back and check the analysis for your decision. So let's check 5 minutes again. This is 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes. So 5 minutes also follow the trends. So of course, be throughout today, you have been selling, you will have been at a good profit by now. So now the trend line shows you the support and resistance level, then the expected move of the market tomorrow has also been shown. So now it's now left for you to take your decision. So if you want to trade with me, join me tomorrow. So I will use the same chart pattern and the trend line to take my market tomorrow. So you can see this is what we traded yesterday. This is what we traded yesterday. So you can easily see that this is where market stopped on Friday, and this is where the market are today. So tomorrow the market can decide to break the support or resistance here and move towards the trend line here, or the market can decide to change the direction, move up, because this one we expected that this market price has already touched down. So it may turn up. We already have 1, 2, 3 touch here. This is another 1, 2, 3, according to the rules of waves. So tomorrow now, you patiently wait to see the break of this support and resistance level. After that, you take your trade. So I would like to stop here. So for more information and for more guideline, you can easily contact me. And before you go, kindly subscribe to my channel, then share the video. Shares. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.